Welcome back to Crochet by Landry. In this video, we're going to do two things. We're going to unbox some yarn I bought from Hobbii, and we're going to take that yarn that I bought and we're going to make something with it. I'll put the links in the description box down below of where I bought all of the products and supplies I got for this video, so you can go and buy your own and then we can do it together. But let's unbox some Hobbii yarn together. So here's what the hat package looks like, the one I got from Hobbii. Square, white and blue with the word Hobbii written on it. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So I bought 4 skeins. Technically I bought 5 skeins of yarn. So 4 of them, these ones are all cotton. This one is part acrylic, part polyester. We'll do something with that in a future video. But these ones I bought are for today's video. So there's 3 green ones and 1 brown one. They're all by Rainbow. They're all 100% cotton yarn. And all of the Hobbii yarn has an easy to find, easy start tab that goes to the center of the yarn. It's 100% cotton. It's also a size number 1, super fine. It's really pretty. This one is color number 20. This one is the same as the other one, except it's different shade of green. Color number 22. Then there's one with color number 23. It's like a spring green. This one I want to say is like a seafoam green maybe. And this one's probably an evergreenish. Then you get your brown. Color number 7. All of this is 100% cotton. This one is 98% acrylic and 2% polyester. It's a size 1, like the others, a super fine. Color number 5. It's really pretty. Can't wait to do something with that in the future video. But once you've got your Hobbii, all right, everybody, let's get started making our lovely Christmas tree ornaments with our Hobbii yarn. So these are the 4 colors that I chose, but I'm going to be using the lighter green and the brown today. Let's put the other 2 to the side. So this is what I'm going to be using today to make the Christmas tree ornaments. So you're going to need your Hobbii yarn, some scissors, a yarn needle, a 2mm hook, and if you want, you could put a little wooden bead at the top of your tree just as a decoration. And if you want to follow along, you can grab the pattern off of Hobbii's website. It's free. And once you've got all your supplies, let's get started. Okay, everybody, let's get started with our Christmas tree ornaments. So pull on that easy to pull out tab. And I'm just going to trim mine off so it stays out of the way. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start with a slip knot and a chain 2. Okay. Slip knot and a chain 2 to begin. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put 2 half double crochets in that second chain from your hook. So remember, a half double crochet is a yarn over, in the chain, pull up a 3rd loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. And then you're going to do a second one, having 2 stitches. Round 3 is chain 1, turn. And now what you're going to do is you're going to work in the back loops only. So what you're going to do is you're going to work 1 half double crochet in the first stitch, in the back loop only. Okay, and then you're going to work 2 half double crochets in the last stitch. Now, when you're doing your increasing, you're going to work in both loops, not just one, so it doesn't create holes. So 2 half double crochets in that last stitch. There we go. Now chain 1 and turn. Now what you're going to do is 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, again working in the back loops. Oopsie. Don't forget to yarn over before putting your hook through the hole. There you go. Okay, so 1 in that first one. Okay, 1 in the second one. Okay, and then 2 in the last one. But remember to work through both loops so you're not creating any holes. There's part of our tree so far. Okay, so let's continue on. So chain 1, turn your work. So we're going to do 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So that's 1, again, only working in those back loops for the first 3 stitches. 2, and then 1 more. And 3, and then put 2 half double crochets in the last stitch, working through both loops. And you're only working in both loops on the increases, not on the other stitches. So then chain 1 and turn. And you're going to continue that pattern all the way until you've reached 16 half double crochets. So just keep increasing on the last stitch only, and then I will see you once you've reached 16 half double crochets. Okay, I've reached 16 half double crochets, so you should have something that looks like this. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to chain 1 to fasten off. We're going to trim our yarn, and then we're going to weave in our tail, and we're going to add our tree trunk after that. So just weaving in your end, you're going to just weave it under stitches like we've been doing in previous videos. Just weave it in as best you can. There we go. And then just trim off the extra. And you can leave this part for later when we get ready to put the bead on. Now let's attach the yarn for the trunk. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a slip stitch. And then what you're going to do is you're going to skip 6 stitches and attach the trunk, the brown, to your tree. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And then in the 7th, you're going to attach your yarn. Okay, so again, count in 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then in the 7th, you're going to do a slip stitch or a single crochet attachment. So just do a single crochet to attach your yarn. And then you're going to do 4 single crochets across. So 3 more to get started. That's 3 and 4. Okay. Then you're going to chain 1, turn your work. Okay, and then you're going to work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Still staying at 4 single crochets. Three, and then 4. Then chain 1, turn, or just chain 1, and then snip your yarn. Okay. And again, weave in your ends. Okay. weave it in as best you can. Oh, there we go. Trim your end. And there we have it, our little Christmas tree. Now we're going to attach the bead that goes on top. You can attach the bead. It's an option. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. So if you wanted to attach the bead, you can use your yarn needle or even your crochet hook. And then just slip your hook through the top of your tree. Pull it through. And make a knot, and then attach your bead right on top. Now I know this yarn is very small, but do your best. Attach your bead however you wish. And there we have it. We've finished our little Christmas tree to hang on our Christmas tree. Now you can make a bunch of these with all the yarn that you have if you've bought the yarn from Hobbii. And using the yarn from Hobbii, it was actually very easy to use and very easy to crochet with. And it even feels very, very soft. And there we have it, everybody. We made our little tiny Christmas tree to go on our Christmas tree. Or even anywhere. You can make bunches of these and hang them anywhere you want around your house. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you next week for more videos.